In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon in Go High Level. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whatever you're most comfortable with. Once you've done that, go ahead and type Go High Level into the search bar. You'll see various search results. What you want to do is select the official website, which will be listed as www.gohighlevel.com. Click on this link to proceed to the site. Now that you're on the Go High Level homepage, the next step is to log in. If you're a regular user, this part will be familiar to you. Just enter your login credentials and you'll be good to go. Once you're logged in, look for the Sites tab. Don't worry if this takes a moment to find, it's usually on the sidebar menu. Click on Sites and then navigate to Funnel. This is where you will manage or create your funnel to which you'll be adding the favicon. At this stage, you have two choices. You can either create a new funnel from scratch by clicking on the plus New Funnel button, or you can select an existing funnel from the list that appears. If you have already set up a funnel, selecting it will save you some time. Once you've opened your selected funnel, switch your attention to the Steps section within it. Here, you'll want to click on Edit. This will allow you to make necessary adjustments, including adding that all-important favicon. Next, look for the landing page and click on the header. When you do this, you'll notice a right sidebar appearing. This sidebar is going to be your go-to area for customizing your funnel. You want to keep an eye out for an option labeled Brand Logo on this sidebar. Go ahead and click on Brand Logo. Now, it's time to upload your favicon. Find and click on the Upload button. This will allow you to select the image file you'd like to use as your favicon from your computer or cloud storage. After choosing your image, proceed by clicking on Insert Media to finalize the upload. Remember, the favicon is the tiny icon that represents your brand in the browser tab, so make sure it's clear and recognizable. And here's a crucial final step that's easy to overlook. Be sure to save your work. Yes, don't forget to click that Save button once you've done everything. This ensures that your new favicon is set in place and is visible to everyone who visits your site or funnel. And there you have it, the way to add a favicon in Go High Level. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.